At this lesson we will talk about shader editor, UV editor and UV map. Add plane and cube. Locate cube for to see all around. Select cube, add bevel modifier. Open another viewport, shader editor. Press Shift plus A, add image texture. Then click Open Download PNG image for texture. We need locate texture for cube. Open UV editor. Use edit mode. Press A, select all. Then rotate it for correct place. As you see, numbers are mess on cube. Look at texture, 1 is center, 3 behind of 1. Number 5 is right from 1. Number 2 is left from 1. Number 4 back of 1. Number 6 under of 1. Let's organize all number as texture, which is left side you see. Choose in edit mode edges. Then select borders. Right-click, mark seam. This line same line, what at left side you see. Then select all. Press U, unwrap. Rotate and scale it correctly. Imagine left side texture is covering cube like that. Thank you for watching.